standing on blast furnace 2, BSP blast furnace 2, main charging conveyor, near main charging conveyor. First I want to explain that how much time has been taken by one batch from stock house to BLT, and how much total time will take to complete one cycle, that is from coke batch to ore batch and batch to batch time. Now this coke is finished. Next batch will come ore. Let's see how much time it will take from tail end of the coke batch to head end of the ore batch. When this batch calling will start, when signal will come from the material charging gate. So once material charging will start in BLT, then ore batch will start from the stop house. Let's see how much time it will take. Is producing right now around 7,000 tons per day hot metals. Coke base is 19 tons. Speed of main charging conveyor is 2 meters per second. Now see, ore batch is coming. The ore batch. This consists of sinter, dumpy ore, and maybe limestone. Now this is the sinter. Lumpy ore. A lot of fines are there. start, then one cycle will finish. Here the charging sequence is hope or. Dear friends, I want to put this video on YouTube so that some of my friends can understand in a better way what is the batch charging. Means the blast furnace material is charged in a batch sequence, not in a continuous manner. So here in one cycle two batch, one is the coke batch, next one is the ore batch. So one cycle is equal to two batch. So we will see how much time one cycle will take. This coke batch is coming. Coke batch started. So here one cycle is finished. This new cycle is going to be